Did you know you can grow beautiful plants without soil, just in water? Well, it's totally possible. Some plants thrive in water, growing strong roots and looking absolutely stunning. No mess, no fuss, and they look stunning in your home. Let's dive into 10 amazing plants that thrive in water. 1. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is often called the unkillable houseplant, and for a good reason. This trailing beauty can grow in almost any condition, but when placed in water, it becomes even easier to maintain. Just snip off a healthy stem with a few leaves, place it in a jar, and let the magic happen. Within days, you'll see tiny roots forming, and soon enough, it'll start trailing beautifully. Pothos is also known as a natural air purifier, making it both a stylish and practical addition to your home. Keep it in indirect light, change the water once a week, and watch it flourish with minimal effort. Lucky bamboo, the feng shui favorite. Looking for a plant that brings luck, prosperity, and good vibes? Lucky bamboo is believed to attract positive energy, making it a popular choice for homes and offices. The best part? It doesn't need soil at all. Just place the stalks in a glass of water, add some decorative pebbles for support, and you're good to go. But here's a tip. Lucky bamboo is sensitive to chemicals in tap water, so it's best to use filtered or rainwater. Keep it in indirect light, and make sure the roots are always submerged in clean water. With the right care, your lucky bamboo will grow tall and strong, bringing in good fortune along the way. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, the baby maker. The spider plant is known for its fast-growing nature and ability to produce tons of baby plants, called spiderets. These tiny offshoots can be cut off and placed in water, where they'll quickly develop roots and grow into a whole new plant. It's a fun and rewarding plant to propagate, especially if you love seeing new growth. Keep it in bright, indirect sunlight, change the water every few days, and watch as it fills your space with fresh greenery. Plus, it's one of the best air-purifying plants, making it a great addition to any home. Heartleaf Philodendron, the romantic vine. With its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, the Heartleaf Philodendron is a true showstopper. This plant grows incredibly fast in water, making it a perfect, low-maintenance houseplant. Simply take a cutting, place it in a jar, and watch it take off. It thrives in warm, humid environments, so keep it away from direct sunlight and make sure to refresh the water every week. If you love a cozy, jungle-like atmosphere, let the vines trail from a shelf or hang them near a window. It's effortless, elegant, and absolutely beautiful. Wandering Jew, the colorful showstopper. If you're looking for a plant that stands out, the Wandering Jew is a perfect choice. Its leaves are a stunning mix of purple, green, and silver, giving it an almost metallic sheen. The best part? It's super easy to grow in water. Just snip a cutting, place it in a jar, and within days you'll see roots forming. But here's the trick. This plant loves bright, indirect sunlight, and the more light it gets, the more vibrant the colors become. Change the water every few days, and you'll have a gorgeous trailing vine that adds a bold touch to your space. Coleus, the leaf artistry. Coleus is like a living painting with its striking red, green, pink, and yellow leaves. It's often used in gardens. But did you know it can grow in water too? Just take a cutting, pop it in a vase, and let it root. The colors stay bright and bold if kept in medium to bright light. This plant is perfect for adding a pop of color to your home without the hassle of soil. Just change the water every week and it'll thrive beautifully. Basil, Ocimum basilicum, fresh herbs. All year round. Love cooking? Why not grow your own fresh basil right in your kitchen? Instead of buying new basil every time, just take a cutting and place it in water. It'll keep growing for months. To keep it thriving, place it in a sunny spot, snip off leaves regularly to encourage new growth, and change the water every few days. You'll have fresh organic basil whenever you need it. No garden required. Chinese money plant, the wealth magnet. The Chinese money plant is not just adorable with its round, coin-like leaves, but it's also said to bring wealth and good fortune. You can propagate baby plants, pups, in water, and they'll develop roots in just a few weeks. Keep it in bright, indirect light, and change the water every few days to prevent root rot. It's easy to care for, stylish, and a great gift for plant lovers. Who wouldn't want a little extra luck? English ivy, the classic green cascade. If you love a wild, natural vibe, English ivy is a fantastic choice. This plant grows fast and lush, creating a beautiful cascading effect when placed in a tall jar or vase. It's one of the easiest plants to propagate in water. Just cut a vine, put it in a glass, and let it grow. Keep it in low to medium light, change the water once a week, and enjoy its timeless beauty. Whether hanging from a shelf or placed on a desk, English ivy never fails to impress. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum, the elegant air purifier. If you love elegant minimalist decor, the peace lily is a must-have. While it's usually grown in soil, it can thrive in water too, and it even helps clean indoor air. Its deep green leaves and occasional white blooms add a sophisticated touch to any space. But here's the secret. Peace lilies don't like harsh tap water. Use filtered or distilled water to keep them happy, and change the water every week to prevent root rot. Place it in indirect sunlight, and soon, you'll have a graceful, thriving plant in just a simple glass of water. Who knew growing plants in water could be so easy and rewarding? Whether you want to purify the air, decorate your home, or just try something new, these 10 amazing plants are perfect for any space. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant tips. Sparkle.